Hello, my beautiful Aries. Welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. How are you all doing today? We are going to read for you and your person for the first week of December. Okay, let's start with the energy check-in. We have choosing your path, all is possible. Aries, for the first week of December, things are going to be very much possible for you. Your path is clear and you need to choose your path and everything will work out for you because everything is possible, all is possible for you. We'll pull out one more very positive start of the reading, Aries. Just a second. Okay, we have desert passage, truth, there is a trust, there is a divine path, plan, sorry. Okay, Aries, this is the second card for you, desert passage, trust, there is a divine plan for you. So everything is possible because it is being divinely guided. So that's a confirmation for you that this is the right one for you. Okay, now we will see what you need to surrender for the first week of December is. What do you need to surrender? Too many. Okay, surrender to prayer. So as the divine is with you, surrender to them. So it tells us give yourself over completely to prayer. When you pray from your heart, you will be heard throughout the universe. The answers and support will arrive. Okay, guys. So all your whoever you wish worship towards God, Allah, or Jesus, anyone, they are with you right now and the whole universe is listening to your prayers. So this is a very auspicious time for you, Aries, and you need to surrender to the divine and trust that everything is going to be fine in your life. Okay, we'll pull out tarot card now. Two of Cups, the bottom of the deck. Spirit guides, please tell me about Aries for the first week of December. Universe, spirits and guides, tell me what is coming up for my beautiful Aries for the first week of December. Okay, beautiful energies already, Aries. Sun card, then we have the Ace of Wands, we have the Three of Swords, something very painful, Wheel of Fortune, some cycles are coming to an end, Wheel of Fortune is turning into your favor, bringing you a very passionate offer, an offer which you are very passionate about, a decision. Let's see, decision regarding heart, matters of heart, yes. Three of Swords, Five of Wands, petty conflicts, again a decision card. Okay, we have the Tower and the Empress. Okay, so Aries, you are in this waiting energy and your person is going through some kind of petty conflicts in their life, and they are heartbroken that they can't make you this offer of love, but this love is guided, divinely guided, and Ace of Wands is like something, this is very near and dear to your heart, and you need to take they need to take a decision regarding you, but you are not taking any decision, you are just there sitting and you have closed your eyes. Two of Swords energy, don't want to do anything, and something is breaking apart in their life, which, but you are sitting on your throne like empress. You know what you want. You want the sun. You know where your happiness lies, and you are in a waiting energy right now, and you trust the divine that it will come to me, and that the faith you have is this, the empress card, that whatever is happening right now is a temporary thing, and you know it very well. Aries, your intuition is working too much here, and you're manifesting actually, or you're manifesting this tower movement, so that the decision is made for you, and you can move forward with this relationship. Okay. What else we need to know about love life of Aries? Too many cards, guys. Okay, we have the teacup. Yes, some kind of celebration or get together, meeting someone. Maybe you're meeting someone new, and you're just enjoying basically. Teacup is time, taking out time for yourself. And then we have fate. Yes, you are relying on your fate. You know this is going to, whatever comes to you will be the best. You're trusting trusting your guides, that whatever they bring to you, it will be, yes, Claus, this is something helping hand for you, some kind of help coming. The ace of wands is that help coming towards you in the month of first week of December, Aries, and you are going to get your wish fulfillment, because you are in this energy of surrendering to prayer at right now, and you know that your happiness is just around the corner. Okay. Okay, Aries, this was your reading. Hope this helped. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, all the best.